Hi! So, I thought it would be a fun idea to go to a thrift store and make some art with the stuff I find at the thrift store because I love me a good challenge. And I ended up finding this bottle of white acrylic paint, which I'm very happy about because I'm always out of acrylic paints. And a whole bag of brushes. Synthetic brushes look fairly cheap, but they look okay. They are pretty stiff. A couple of brushes were ruined because somebody was using them with acrylic paints and didn't clean them, so they were completely fused together. And there's a couple of these brushes which are kind of funny looking, so they have very flat top, and I've never seen brushes like that, but you know, we'll make it work. They look fairly good because I use cheap synthetic brushes anyway, so it's not gonna be too much of a deal. So, and then I was looking for something to paint on, and since I've got white paint, I was like, well, I can't really use it on white. I mean, it could make a fun effect, like white on white with different textures. That could be fun, but I was like, I need something contrasting, so I was thinking about picking up maybe a vinyl record and painting on that. That would look pretty good in my opinion. And then I stumbled across this piece. So this is a photograph of dark room with a door slightly cracked. I don't know what's up with this, but I thought it could be fun to like draw something like lurking in the shadows, or like sticking their little hands out and like, you know, being all creepy. I think it could be fun. And I don't know how it's gonna work out because I don't know how the paint's gonna sit on the paper. But I hope that if I water acrylics down enough, I'll be able to have different values in the pictures, hopefully. So if I let them dry in between the layers, I might be able to have like transparent layers and then very opaque layers, so hopefully that will work out. And I also picked up a bunch of embroidery stuff, which I love embroidery, and if you guys want to see me like make patches or something, or like upcycle clothes, like, you know, let me know. I think it could be fun. And yeah, let's jump into some painting and we'll see how it turns out. Thanks. happy with it. I tried to add as much of like gross texture I could, and it was kind of hard to work with the opposite values, because you know, usually you work on white paper and then you add like darker drawing mediums on top and make it darker to push it back. But here I had to leave the areas I wanted to push back as bare as possible, and build up the more forward areas. But yeah, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks pretty scary, and it was a little hard going in without the sketch and knowing that most of the lines I'm gonna put in are gonna be permanent. I'm gonna have to work with it. But yeah, I'm also happy that the paper behind it is glossy and the paint itself dries kind of matte, so it creates kind of this cool effect. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, and I would recommend trying it. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I guess I'm gonna see you next one. Bye bye.